Unfortunately, it looks like there's a bit of a tree that's taken a stack up here, and I don't know if we can get around it. And can you believe the one trip that I don't bring a chainsaw? Well, it doesn't look like we can find any way around this other than straight up the track. So we're going to try and grab that big old snow gum and pull it somewhere over in this direction, so then we can drive on through. And we're going to do that with our VRS winch, and I'm going to use a snatch block on this one because it is a really big tree. So we're going to run it through the snatch block back to the car. Basically, you're halving the load there on the winch. So this is a tree trunk protector, folks, but we're not really obviously trying to protect a dead tree here. That's what you normally use them for, so you don't ring bark a tree. But in this case, I just don't want to damage my winch rope by putting it over and hooking it back onto itself. Okay, you might have noticed there, I don't know if you did, but Bill just backed that shackle off about a quarter of a turn. Occasionally when they're under a big load, and this is a big load, if you just do them up as tight as you can, they bind up. It's a short pull, we don't really need to do that, so just back it off a quarter of a turn. Now Bill's going to pull that back and hook it up to the other recovery point underneath the Ford Ranger. While Bill is doing that, I am going to look at this part of the recovery and try and minimize any damage. So this is a cable dampener, and if anything breaks here, any of the heavy stuff, this is designed to try and keep it down low to the ground so it doesn't sort of pop up and, you know, hurt someone in the vicinity. So just popping another cable dampener on the cable itself. Now I'm going to jump into the car and kick it over, because you got to keep in mind that with these winches, they draw all of their power off the starter battery, not off your auxiliary batteries. So you got to make sure that you're feeding them with a lot of current. Otherwise, after a long winch, you could end up with a dead battery.
So as you can see, I'm at a nice safe distance out of harm's way, and I've got the wireless winch controller here. So I just checked with Pat, but I think we're about to start winching. You ready for me to go?
Hey mate, you can take attention.
Go. Kind of satisfying doing that little bit of track. Whoa, bit of track clearing, because we've opened the track up for us, but we've also opened it up for everyone else that wants to come through.